Title: Exploring Building Materials. USA Infinite Info. Intro sequence. Upbeat music plays as visuals of various American buildings flash on the screen, highlighting their unique materials. Narrator VO. Welcome to USA Infinite Info. Today, we're diving deep into the materials that make up a stunning modern building right here in the United States. Let's uncover the secrets behind its design and sustainability. Modern Building Day. The camera zooms in on a sleek, eco-friendly building with large glass windows and greenery around it. Narrator VO. Here we are. This building is not just visually striking. It's built with a variety of innovative materials that prioritize sustainability. Lobby of the Building Day. The camera pans across the bright lobby filled with natural light. Narrator VO. As we enter the lobby, we're greeted by beautiful reclaimed wood used for the walls and ceiling. This wood, sourced from local farms, not only adds warmth, but also reduces the need for new timber. Close-up shots of the wood grain. Narrator VO. Typically, you'll find oak and pine here, each piece telling its own story while helping to conserve our forests. Cut to high-performance glass wall. Camera focuses on the glass panels, reflecting sunlight. Narrator VO. Next, take a look at these high-performance glass panels, designed to minimize heat gain while maximizing natural light. They keep energy costs down and the environment bright. Graphics show energy-saving statistics. Narrator VO. With low emissivity coatings, these panels reflect heat and UV rays, making them a perfect choice for modern architecture. Cut to exposed steel beams. The camera zooms in on the structural steel beams. Narrator VO. Here, we have structural steel beams. Steel is incredibly strong, and what's even better is that much of it is recycled, which enhances the building's sustainability. Animation showing the recycling process of steel. Narrator VO. To prevent rust, these beams are coated with protective materials, ensuring they stand the test of time. Cut to a green roof with planters. The camera shows a vibrant green roof full of plants. Narrator VO. Now, let's head outside to the green roof. It utilizes a lightweight soil mix and a variety of native plants, promoting biodiversity while providing insulation. Close-ups of the plants. Narrator VO. You'll find sedums and drought-resistant grasses here, all contributing to stormwater management. Cut to restroom with eco-friendly features. The camera showcases low-flow fixtures and recycled tiles. Narrator VO. In the restrooms, we see low-flow fixtures paired with recycled ceramic tiles. These features drastically reduce water usage while maintaining functionality. Graphics display water-saving statistics. Narrator VO. Using recycled tiles helps divert waste from landfills and decreases the energy used in manufacturing new materials. Cut to exterior concrete structure. The camera focuses on the building's exterior concrete. Narrator VO. Finally, check out the concrete. This isn't ordinary concrete. It's made with recycled aggregates, ensuring durability and sustainability. Animation illustrating the concrete's lifespan and benefits. Narrator VO. With proper care, this concrete can last over 50 years, making it a long-term investment for the building. Outro sequence. The camera zooms out to show the entire building once again. Narrator VO. So there you have it. This building showcases how thoughtful material choices can create a beautiful, sustainable environment. If you enjoyed this deep dive into building materials, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more exciting content from USA Infinite Info. Upbeat music fades out as the screen displays the channel logo and social media handles.